Welcome back, enthusiasts. In this segment, we are taking a deep dive into the VPNs in Kali Linux and explore how to use VPNs for robust security and privacy in digital realm. Ready to level up your cybersecurity game? Let's begin. What is a VPN? Virtual Private Network? A VPN acts as a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. It encrypts your data, making it unreadable to anyone trying to peek at your online activities. Why should we use a VPN? It adds an extra security. They mask your IP address, encrypt your communication, and allow you to access resources securely even on public networks. This encryption is typically achieved through protocols like OpenVPN, providing a secure channel for data transmission over the internet. Now let's set up. To install OpenVPN, we can run the following command: sudo apt-get install OpenVPN and install the OpenVPN client on our Kali machine, a crucial tool for VPN connectivity. As soon as we download this, we also need to get the config files to connect to the VPN service provider. Now these files can be downloaded from the provider's websites, and these sites basically hold the settings needed to connect to their servers securely. Once these files are downloaded, we can initiate the connection using the sudo openvpn and the config file path to establish a secure link between the machine and the VPN server. We'll perform these in our illustrations soon. Now, behind the scenes, OpenVPN employs a robust cryptographic technique, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of your data during transit. Now that we are connected, let's delve into how VPNs fortify your privacy in the digital landscape. It hides your IP address. IP address is like your online fingerprint. A VPN cloaks it, making it nearly impossible for websites or snoops to trace your digital steps. It also ensures encryption, and the data is transformed into basically an unreadable code, safeguarding it from potential eavesdropping. Anonymous browsing. By routing your internet traffic through the VPN server, you gain the ability to browse the web anonymously, leaving no digital breadcrumbs behind. Now that we are enjoying the benefits, let's talk about keeping our VPN setup secure. It's not just about the connection, it's about staying secure throughout. Choosing a trustworthy VPN service. Opt for a VPN service with solid reputation. Look for providers with a strict no logs policy, ensuring your online activities remain private. Regular software updates. Keep your VPN software updated. This isn't just about new features, it's about patching any vulnerabilities that might be exploited by cyber threats. The kill switch feature. Activate the kill switch. This safety net disconnects your internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing any accidental data leaks. Now let's move into the VPN access setup. Now as our Kali is loaded, let's try to see if we have the OpenVPN installed. Yes, as we can see that the help guide has already come up. The OpenVPN is already available. For this illustration, I am going to use a service called as VPN Book, which provides free VPN servers to connect to different regions, which include Canada, US, few European regions, etc. As soon as we load this page, we'll be able to see the available configuration files. Click on the OpenVPN config files and you'll be able to see a couple of servers. The servers are denoted with the country initials like Canada, Denmark, France, Poland, UK, etc. Let's try to download any bundle. So let's try to download the French bundle. Once this is downloaded, just open and extract it. You can also use the extract tool from the command line. Since we are already into the GUI mode, I'm trying to extract it into the downloads folder. Once it is downloaded, you may be able to see the files on the downloads directory. Let's move to the downloads directly and see. As we can see, the folder is already downloaded. You may be able to see a few config files here. Now, to run the OpenVPN, let's use the command sudo openvpn and the config file that with which we want to run. I'm using the UDP config. Now it asked me for username and password. If you go back to the VPN book, you may be able to see the username and password here, VPN book and 33UITNE. These keeps changing. So whenever you are watching this video, have a look at the latest password and use it. Now, let me use a service, what is my IP, and check on what VPN am I connected. Now, as you could see, the screen was already showing the instructions in French. So most probably, we are on a French VPN. Let's try to get more precise information from whatismyipaddress.com. As you can see, the country is now Switzerland. Where am I connected? Let me try to disconnect the VPN and see, does it changes my internet provider? Yeah, now it came back to my router in India. So with this, we have illustrated that we were connected to a different server and we were trying to mask our digital identity. Let's switch our gears a bit. How do ethical hackers leverage VPNs in their operations? It's not just about privacy, it's about conducting secure and effective assessments. Secure remote access. Ethical hackers use VPNs for secure access to remote networks during penetration tests. It's like having a secure digital tunnel into the heart of the system. Identity concealment. Maintaining anonymity is the key in ethical hacking. VPNs acts like a digital mask, concealing the identity of ethical hackers during assessments. VPN usage in ethical hacking is strategic, ensuring secure access while maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of the testing process. That's it. A comprehensive guide to VPNs in Kali Linux. We have covered the basics, setting up a secure connection, exploring privacy mechanisms, and even dived into the realm of ethical hacking. Thank you, and meet you in the next